It is the winter of 1764, and a 23-year-old sea captain from Portsmouth, New Hampshire, is embarking on his first transatlantic trade mission in what is just one milestone of many in an extraordinary life. The expert knowledge he gains from these seafaring days will enable him to build his own merchant fleet, which will make him a very wealthy man. Later, he will play key roles in the birth of our nation and help lay the foundations of our democracy. He will perform notable public service as a United States Senator and Governor of New Hampshire. And being a man ahead of his time, he will view slavery to be an abomination and will work hard to mitigate its practice. This is the remarkable life of John Langdon, a truly unsung founding father.